Hey everybody, so today I have the GoPro display mod. Now you're probably thinking, well, there is already a display. This one makes it a little bit bigger, it makes it a little easier. Plus when you got a display mod on there, it'll allow you to put other types of settings and stuff on that, and information on that screen. But anyway, it does come in this nice little case. It is just a cute little screen. Now this is rechargeable. It will take, I believe it's an hour and a half to charge this up, and it will run for up to 2 hours. Now you will need like the media mod, that way you can stick it on the cold shoe. And then you'll be able to plug it right into the media mod. And then when you're not using it, you can fold it down where it's kind of like a camera. And then when you're using it and you're going into, selfie mode and everything, you just pop it up and you'll be able to see everything on there. Yeah, so without the mod on, you'll see everything in that regular screen. Then you turn it on, it's going to start changing. Now you got everything on this screen, and now you got different information displayed on that one. So this gives you a little bit more of a view screen where you can see the picture a little bit better, especially you're trying to film yourself, doing selfies. You got the camera facing you. You want to be able to see what it is seeing. This gives you the option to do that. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Not much else to show. That's all it really does, just display your screen. Anyway, this was the display mod and it works pretty well.